guys, so we play keyboard. I don't know what's your real name, but we play keyboard, so keep watching. Should I go speed or I go stage? Alright, I go speed. I wait like 5 minutes or 4 minutes. Don't forget like and subscribe. Do you like this game, man? Huh? This I want this, but I do have any books. I don't like that song when it say or like that. Let me go. The song is so tusanumi. So close I fall. No. I'm too close to fall. Alright, it's good. If you go there, follow the Let's go. You can catch me. Bro, I get wins. Because I need to. Last night I lose like 1,000 wins. But I now make them back. I love this game so much. Tell me in the comments what game you play in next video. Let's go. There we go. I keep getting there. And if I get 1,415, I AFK, bro. Bro, I fall. Because I'm too fast. No. Are you serious, man? Let's make it. I'm just scared of it. No. Like, bro, it's like. Let me make it. Let's go. Please. Oh, what? Oh, you see this, bro? I say this again. Please. Bro, he's just joking. I wait because this guy. Let's go. Yes. Oh, so close. Wait, this is cool. Open. Let's go. There we go. Boom. Trying to fly over there, bro. Please. Hey, don't go. Are you going, bro? If I go, I die. go. There we go. Let's make it week 2015. Sorry, 500. So cool. No. Don't go. I made a mistake. So fast, bro. Why is so fast? Yeah, sorry. So creamy. I love this song so much. No. Why people all jump if they get so close? I don't know. I do it, but I can go over there because it's too long. And go, boom. Wait. Why is it 100 and before I go over there it's 110? No problem. Let's take more. Sorry man. I do mistake. Let's go. Last one I get 2,500. Oh, see, the first stage. No. Oh, look at this, bro. Look. If I fall, okay, wait. I am so smart, man. Ooh, it's LeBron 16. Bro, get faster, bro. I don't love the reverse. For each game, I don't love reverse. And there you go. We get 2,000. Should we get 15,000? Or let's go with speed. We need 3 or 4 million speed. Let me just can I go next stage? Stage 9. Well, I'm too fast. I can't go for easy. I need to go. Oh, I need to go world 2, but it is never 120. Oh my god! Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Oh yeah. Spider-Man. I just joking you for this. Boom. Boom. No. I don't look there because I'm too fast. No, look at this, bro. I just closed the phone. Hey, wait. I go. Oh no! I took. No! Bro, I go too late, and I need to wait again. Let's go. Let me get to stage 9. No, no. What the hell? What are you doing, bro? I don't know. I did what I am. Sometimes. Or this, just this stupid kid. Guys, I'm sorry. Who's lying, bro? Don't bring me again. She's my cousin. There you go. It's she flat. There you go. What is this? I use this look. Get out of here, bro. I first No, please do not do mistake, please. First one. This is so hard. I need to get faster, like 3 million. I told you. I get out here. I'm not. Let's go the keyboard. I join this game everywhere. This same golding. I always with something is here. Double 5. But where is it? How many minutes it comes? I don't know. I get 3 million speed. I go again. Stage 1. Get out of here, my cousin, or I kill him. Guys, sorry if my cousin. Joking. I don't know. I'm sorry. We are so close to hit 3 million. Get out, my cousin. I don't join you. I play video game. Oh, level 61. Please set 3 million. I go to stage 9. If I don't over stage 9, it's impossible, man. $3 million, sorry, 3,000. What I want? I don't know how many left. Please, so close, so close. So close, one more. One. Let's go, let me go. I'm from 2 million. See? think I died, bro. No! This level is... sheep. I can see myself. Wait. Is this so close, I think? Oh, he's faster. Or something. If I do make it, I should just go with it. Let's go and make it. So, this is let's go.